I'm going to walk you through how to very quickly capture two-dimensional screen images, screen captures from SketchUp that you can include into PowerPoint presentations or any other type of sample that you want to give someone of a piece that you create in SketchUp. Specifically, we're looking at a fairly basic set design for a show that I did a couple years ago. Okay, as with any time in SketchUp, the first thing you want to do is get your view in the proper place. So I'm just going to select my orbit tool, those two blue arrows, and kind of look around, moving my view around. And really, I think this kind of initial, just slightly off to the stage left side view of this from the front is what I want for my first image. So I'm just going to set my view exactly how I want the image to show up. And then I'm just going to go zoom in here a little bit up to the file drop down, and then I want to go to export, and from there we're just going to select 2D graphic, and we'll zoom back out. Then it's going to say save as, and I'm just going to call this view 1. Save it to the desktop as a JPEG. If you want more options on size, quality, stuff like that, obviously select options. If you're using a Windows machine, this is going to look a little different. I'm using this on my Mac. I'm just going to click export. It's pretty much as simple as that. It'll kind of chug away just for a moment, creating that 2D graphic, and then you'll see on my desktop it's actually picked up this image here. I'm just going to double click on that, and it's going to pop open here in preview, and you'll notice this looks just like what I've done in SketchUp, but of course select the movie. This isn't a three-dimensional thing. This is just a flat image that I can drop in anywhere, and then I can come in here into SketchUp and for example, if I want to show some construction detail on the back, how we're going to be building something, then I can come in here and go file, export 2D graphic, and call this view 2 back, or whatever, and click export again, and very quickly we're going to get this next image, and we can do as many of these as we want. And just again looking, here's that other flat image that we can come in and look at. So this is the way you can go in, create lots of sample images that very quickly are going to be available for you to use however. Okay, so there you go. Pretty simple, straightforward way to share your design with someone who might not have SketchUp installed, or to include those images in PowerPoint, or just email them to someone or print them out, however you want to do that. Okay, so next we'll be talking about creating three-dimensional animations, but we'll start with 2D stuff.